Hey everybody, Steve coming back at you. I want to do a quick little video and tutorial on how to and how not to use a flat bar. So come on in and take a look. What you'll see a lot of guys do is they will go ahead and start their roofing repair or any type of roof work just straight taking the flat bar to the shingles and doing a lot of digging like this. That's not the best way to do it because you're more than likely going to damage the shingles, especially if they're already a little bit warm. So what I would recommend doing is taking a putty knife or a trowel that we've referenced in other videos and come through and lift the seal line, break the seal line here that is on each shingle that you're going to be removing or using your flat bar on. This is the best way of doing it for sure. Don't skip this step because you might damage some shingles. Now, back to the flat bar here. So we've lifted the shingles that we're going to be taking off with our trowel. So now we're going to come in here and we're going to lift one shingle with our hand and bring the flat bar right in and just pop right underneath that 1¼ inch nail. Now sometimes, just like this nail right here, you'll see them kind of start to give you a little bit of issues, give you a little bit of problems. The nails can break, they can be really old, all kinds of things can happen. But you just kind of have to work in it, spend a little bit of time with it, and pop it right out. Now you'll notice, we weren't super aggressive with it, we were very direct with that area. You want to make sure that you're targeting the base of the nail and trying to pull it right out. It's not one of these motions where you need to come in here and, you know, pull the shingle out and do like this. Although that is one way of doing it, you're more than likely going to damage the shingle that is above it, okay? So again, when you're using your flat bar, make sure that you break the seals with your trowel or with your putty knife. And then when you are using your flat bar, you shouldn't need a hammer, you shouldn't need anything special. Be very gentle, come right in, pop that nail right out, and you'll be good to go. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, leave us a comment, leave us a like down below. We'll catch you in the next one.